Hoffman's we got rig failure. Come loose at the first spreader. We're heading back in. All right, let's get me down.
After making a temporary rig repair, we made the painful decision to sail the boat back to the United States.
So we're kind of sitting in a slip, waiting for them to get set up to come over and look at the boat, and that'll determine our time frame. Now from there, what do?
We make decisions.
This is the new part that arrived from Rig Right, and of course the part that broke off the old one. We dropped the mainsail, that way we could drill the rivets out without damaging the roller furling main.
See if you can find some short quarter-inch rivets. There's only going to be two sizes, quarter and 3/16. Look for the larger diameter, but some short stubby ones. I don't think the long ones are going to work in here. It's going to hit that cavity.
The rigging techs from Max Sail set about removing the old one, and then riveting the new spreader base onto the mast.
We have to drill it out, JB?
We're going to have to drill it up, yeah. Don't reattach anything yet, bro.
Did you get that, shell?
Just because I don't want you pulling on the lower.
With the new spreader base installed and the rig tuned, we got the mainsail back up and got it furled back in.
I normally try to keep either a little air or a little resistance on it just for a tight roll, but man, that was serious resistance.
Hi everybody, here we are on Whiskey and...
I wasn't ready.
Oh, ready? Oh, hi everybody, here we are on Whiskey in Indian Town. Max Sails has got everything fixed, as you saw in the video, and
He did a rigging inspection and everything looks good.
yeah, everything looks good. Full rigging inspection, and of course the rigging's only a couple of years old. It's just one piece broke, a cast piece, and we got a good look at the piece and a big air bubble in it, so it was a problem with the casting all along. So it's all fixed. We were getting ready to provision and head back to the Bahamas, but due to health reasons, this is the end of our cruising journey. I'm gonna have to get the boat cleaned up, get it ready to go, but it's a beautiful boat that's been, everything's new,
And fixed.
But we're putting Whiskey up for sale, and so this is the end of our journey on sailing. Maybe we'll come back later and do some cruising for the Great Loop or something like that, but for now, we're done.
It was on our bucket list, so we checked that off, and we're going to move on.
We're moving on. So thank you everyone for watching all this time. We really appreciate it. Thanks for following along. We really had a great time. If you're thinking about sailing and cruising, I highly recommend it. The people you meet is the best part of this whole thing, and we're very grateful for all the people we've met up and down the East Coast of the United States and over in the Bahamas. So
yeah,
thank you again for watching.
and the link to the link to
the sale of the boat is down below in the description. And if you're interested in buying a boat that's ready to go, it's turnkey.
Yep.
Everything. Take a look at it, and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.